Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to unbox a new mic. I had mentioned that in my previous video that would be a Maono mic. This will be from an XLR to 3.5 mm TRS port, and we'll be unboxing this because I am using a Maono mic at the moment, as you can see over here, and it is kind of good, but I do need a second mic in my main table. This is for the overhead camera, so I'll be going ahead and unboxing this now, and I'll be showing to you how good this is. So let's go ahead and go to the overhead camera over here. So this is the Maono condenser microphone kit, and this is AUPM360TR, and these are the available components in this. Like you get a mic in this, and even a tripod to attach it to, and it's a condenser mic as it tells. So let's go ahead and quickly open this and check what all is available inside. So it has a good packing. So there is some user manual inside this, and this is the cable. As I had told you, XLR cable to 3.5 mm jack. So that cable has been given along with it. And this is the tripod. That's the mic stand which they are given, which we can attach the mic. And there is another component. Yeah, it will be going over here so that the mic can be attached. So we'll be fixing that. And last but not the least, you also have the mic over here. Let me open this mic and check how good is it. It is the same mic. Do remember, when you get this mic, always go ahead and make sure that this Maona is the side where you're speaking in, because that is where you get the audio input. Here only the audio input is there for this mic. So always remember that. So okay, and let's see what else is available in the box. Okay, you do have a splitter where you can attach the earphone as well as the monitor for the earphone, which is attached over here. So we don't need that now because I'm going to plug it into my Maono box, which has everything. So that's it. There's nothing more in this. It's a good thing they always give the sponge along with it so that we don't have to go ahead and hunt for it every time we get a mic. Because some of the mics you have to search for the sizes and you don't get the optimal size also. This one is good that they provide you with this, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can just go ahead and fix it like this. So as you can see now, this is the Maono mic. It's been fit over here, and we'll be fixing the other components also. And before that, if you see in this camera, what you can see is there's a hole over here. So we'll just be rotating this over here actually. Nothing much to do with that. This is how you fix it. And next, what you'll be doing is attaching the mic. But before doing that, the best thing to do is always attach this over here. That is, we are attaching the mic stand over here. So now we will just tighten this thing so it doesn't move when we are using it. So if you see now, this has been set clearly over here. I'm doing this in a hurry because I do have to live stream this mic only today. So let's quickly attach this and test it out also. So we are just taking out the red crumb over here for the wire so that we get the proper length of the wire. So now if you see here, the three ports, we'll be connecting it by pressing this button. Be sure to press this. And you can hear the sound also of the click which has been done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm keeping this mic over here. And what I'll do now is I'll just attach this to one of my ports over here so that we can test the mic out. Check, 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 check. Okay, we will just adjust the mic over here and fix it tightly. These are the final touches what we have to do over here to go ahead and check it out. So let me just go to the main cam, and now you're hearing me in this mic. This is the new mic which I have, and this is the side you're supposed to use. That is where Maona is written. So this is the side you're supposed to use to go ahead and speak in this. I will just keep this on my desk, and you can see the quality is good over there also. So it's not having any problems with the quality wherever the mic is kept. And if you see in this cam, I'll be able to show how it is shown here. There's a mic here, which is for my this desk, and this mic is kept over here for this desk. As simple as that. That's the only reason I had gone ahead and purchased one more of this, because this is a very useful mic which you can use. So this is a simple unboxing of this and the testing of Maona mic. I'll be posting this video soon so that you can go ahead and check this out. And if you did like this video, and if you did like the voice clarity of this mic, because both the mics are giving the same voice clarity, it's only the distance. If I keep it a little bit more closer to me, you will be able to hear a little bit clearer. That's the only difference you get over here. Apart from that, the mic quality is very good in this compared to any other cheap mics. This is just about $15, as I told you in my last video, and you can go ahead and purchase. In Indian rupees, it's about 1,800 rupees. That's it. And if there's any sale or anything in Amazon, you'll get for 1,500 also in Indian rupees. So you can go ahead and check this mic out anytime in your own convenience. and you'll be able to get this mic. And if you did like this and you like this type of videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe for the channel. And I had also made a video which you can check out over here or here about the various mic comparisons, in which I also showed how good the Maona mic is. So you can go ahead and check that video also out whenever you have your free time. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.